Okay, this street is very famous, but maybe you cannot see a lot of people because today is a Tuesday, and yeah, now is not hot weather because it's rainy weather, raining season, so that is why there is not lots of people. But you still can see a lot of bars still open, and I think maybe the staff, the more than the guests. Oh, this street is very, very cool. And yeah, you cannot find a new friend here, I believe. But I think maybe that Chinese Golden Week, Golden Holiday, there is a lot of people here. But no, yeah, cannot see. And a lot of hooker. Scare me. Maybe we can go this way. It's very similar like Bangkok CC, but yeah, there is not too much people, so you cannot feel the same.